Hi, Professor. I'm here to demonstrate what I did for the assignment number 6, string algorithm. In this assignment, we're asked to create a method that returns the longest continuous substring or prefix or suffix of vowels or consonants of a list of given words. So we have this list of words for testing, and we have this TXT file we need to parse, and the words in that TXT file will be the words we use to test for test number 2. So here's the function I built. First of all, let me clear the kernel. Restart clean output. So here as the first part of the function, I read in the file. So for this assignment, I took advantage of this regular expression file existed in Python, so I just used regular expression to do the parsing and to do the prepare of the data. So in this first part, I prepare the data, extract only the word part, and split into words by space. And for the second part, I parse input. So we have 3 kinds of input mode. 2 kinds of input mode, which can be vowels and consonants. And according to this, we're going to use vowels or all other letters except for vowels to do the parsing. Again, we are using these regular expressions in Python. And for the third input, there can be 3 values: substring, prefix, and suffix. And for substring, we're looking for a substring which has a max size of all possible substrings in the word. So we finally get all substrings of the words, and we find the longest substrings that are consistent of all vowels or all consonants, using the regular expressions we provided in the second part of the function. So same goes for prefix and suffix. And because there can be duplicated words in the input, so we took advantage of there's no duplication set. So we change this list into set to remove duplication and cast it back to list for output, longest words. Okay, now we compile this function. It compiles with no exception, and we run this function on the custom input, which is this list. However, we added one word. You'll see. We added one word, this word. So we just this word. We created this word so to demonstrate that the function can indeed output multiple values. So the output is a list rather than a single word with the first hit. So you can see those 2 words are the words with the longest substring of consecutive vowels, and this one consecutive consonant, and this one consecutive consonant, prefix, and this one suffix, and this one suffix of consecutive vowels. And now we run the function on the given input TXT file. You see here is the output. Okay, thank you, Professor.